Hello and welcome to a new Python coding challenge. Today's challenge revolves around truncatable primes. However, before I set the challenge, let's delve a little into what truncatable primes are. These can be divided into three types. The first are called left truncatable. This is because if we take the number 9137, which is a prime, and remove the leftmost digit, the remaining number 137 is also a prime. We can repeat the same action and see that 37 is also a prime, as is the number 7. So see, we were able to remove one digit at a time from the left-hand side of the number, and each value we got was still prime. This is what makes the number 9137 left truncatable. We can also repeat the same thing for right truncatable numbers. In this case, we can take the number 5939, which is itself a prime, and then see that also 593 is a prime, 59 is a prime, and 5 is a prime. So therefore 5939 can be classed as a right truncatable prime. Well now, what about fully truncatable primes? Well, these are simply primes which are both left and right truncatable. So here is your task for today. Calculate the first 7 fully truncatable primes which are greater than 100. As always, if you have any questions, then feel free to leave a comment below. You can also find hints which will help you find the correct solution in my Python tutorial videos and previous coding challenges, both of which are linked in the top right-hand corner of your screen and in the video description. As always, if you're enjoying these videos, then please show your support by leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. As for me, I look forward to seeing you all next week for the solution to the challenge. And until then, happy coding!